snacks. I seem to be on a snack kick, and I can't believe I haven't done this one before, but today we're making hummus. Hi, I'm Nica Waters, and welcome to Tasty Thursday. We're making hummus because nothing is better than homemade hummus, and it's so incredibly easy. You need tahini, you need chickpeas, you need olive oil, a little garlic, lemon, salt. That's it. Then I'm going to do 1/4 cup each of olive oil. And I'm using the displacement method for measuring. So I'm going to wait until I'm going to have the level of the olive oil will go up to 1/2 cup when I measure this way. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then the juice from 1/2 lemon. Then I'm going to taste it, see the seasonings, and yep, I'm just going to use my finger. Ready? I can tell it's not quite as smooth as I like, so I'm going to have to keep processing it, but I'm going to taste it first for flavors. Needs a little more lemon because I like it a little bit creamier. Scrape it down, and then I'm going to let it process for probably about 30 seconds until it's just perfect and done. Yep, that's the perfect consistency to me. You might like it thicker. You might like it less processed. It's one of the things is you can control it. It's kind of cool. Nice, light, lemony. Perfect to put on pita chips, tortilla chips, vegetables, anything you care to eat. Want to taste something? So there you have it. Homemade hummus that is delicious, dipped in anything, smeared on anything, or just plain eaten with a spoon. Happy Tasty Thursday. If you like what you've seen, press like. Tag a friend you think should see it. Share it with somebody who loves hummus and making things themselves and making things from canned beans or dried beans that they've soaked and cooked and snacky things and appetizer things and everything you could possibly want in a food. And don't forget to subscribe. There will be something else amazing, delicious, and you totally can do it yourself next Thursday. I hope you have the most amazing week. This is tahini, which is sesame seed paste. It's like sesame seed butter, kind of, like peanut butter, but made out of sesame seeds. That's what tahini is.